Speaker removal. In order to remove the speakers, you first have to remove the ambient light sensor located here. Holding the ambient light sensor down, there are two Torx 6 screws that have to be removed. Then the metal bracket that holds the ambient light sensor in place has to be removed as well. It's held in place by two Torx 6 screws. Then in each speaker, there's a Torx 8 screw that has to be removed. Once these screws are removed, the speakers simply slide out of place. Underneath the right speaker, there's a cable that will have to be unplugged from the logic board.